Alrighty, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go on a little adventure, not very far from my house, probably 3, 4, 5 miles. But I'm going to go pick up two like 80 model square body crew cab trucks. Not something you see very often. Got them for a pretty good deal. Don't know exactly what I'm going to do with them right now. I'm not sure if I'm going to mess with fixing them up. They got a good bit of rust in them, but there's two cabs, two chassis, no motor, no transmissions. One's got a title, so I think it's an okay deal, especially as hot as square bodies are right now. So we're gonna check it out, and I'm gonna go pick them up and we'll see. All right, guys, here we go. This is what I'm looking at. Maybe I can take the two and make one out of it. We're gonna see. Thank you, Wayne.
Get ready to load that one, Joe. If you can't pull it up on it, we probably can just hook some straps and I can pick it up.
Okay. Yeah, I'll try and load it. If I can, I'll holler at you. I appreciate it.
Yeah, I'll be right here somewhere.
Thank you, Wayne.
Thank you.
Look at here.
What's
Look
that?
at that.
That tree in there?
It's been here just a little bit.
Yeah.
Get a look at what's in the back real quick.
I'm just blown away by what's in here that I've forgotten about. You know what I mean? Wow.
Get a little look. It's rough. It's really rough. But
Truck's been around.
something you don't see very often. At least I don't see them very often. The square bodies are the thing. So we'll see what we can do with her. Or I'll get her to a good home. One or the other. Well, got that one loaded. We're on the way back to the house. Let's see if we can get it unloaded. Man, I did not want to have to work this hard, but whew, and it's hot. I don't know if you guys could tell how bad I'm sweating, but we're here. We'll be home in just a second. Okay, well, we're back. Gonna try and get this one loaded up. We'll see how it goes. Alright guys, well, I got them unloaded. It wasn't fun. It's hot here in Louisiana. But here's the one. It's a little rough. Rockers are pretty bad. Floor's kind of bad in this one. You know, it's kind of Flintstones through there. It's got a bunch of stuff in it. Haven't been able to get this back door open. Bed's not too awful bad. Haven't got a really good look at the hood yet. Don't know what all's in there. But the truck is straight.
It just got some issues. Now, come back over here. We're gonna go back over here and look at the other one. This is the parts truck. And it's got some spots. We'll take a look at it. The rockers, cab corners are bad, but the rockers aren't near as bad as in that other truck. No, that door won't open either. So, but the bottom of the door is rotted out. But as you can see, the rocker's not near as bad. It's got a little rust in it right there. But all of this is solid. I was looking at the floors. There's a little bit of rust in the front of the floors. The other floor is pretty good. This cab is much better. It was hitting the front, kind of messed up. It's got a few good parts left on it. As you can see, the rockers on this side's pretty good, except for right back here in the back where the cab corner is. So I think I can probably take this one off. It's got some spots here and there, but I think I can probably take this cab and make a good cab out of it, and put it on this one over here. So I'm gonna clean them up, look at them. I think it can be saved. That's the main thing. I'll get out here one day and try and pressure wash it. I got to get back on the Riviera and get some stuff done to it. But here's one for the future. It could be up for sale now. If any of y'all would like to have it, both trucks, make you a decent deal, I think. If you're interested, hey, send me a message on Facebook Messenger, or email me through YouTube with my Gmail account. If you're interested, send me a number. I'll give you a call. We can check it out. Without anything else, it's hot. I think I'm gonna go get in the pool for a second, clear off. You can see I got this sweatband on. Shut down the shop. If you like the video, please like it. Please subscribe. That would be a wonderful thing. Hit that bell for notifications if you'd like to see some more of my videos. But until I get my next one ready, as I said before, don't look down on yourself. Don't look down on others. Always look up. If you're always looking up, there's always a way to get something done or to make things better. Okay, so don't look down. Looking down is not very good. Get out here, work on these old rides. These old rides need some love. It's like I'm trying to do with this square body truck. Hey, if you can save them, you're saving a part of history. Might make somebody happy, might make yourself happy. If you can make yourself happy, that's even more wonderful. So with that being said, y'all have a great day.